What's up? So today I'm filming chicken chop suey for you guys. Many of you guys voted. Thanks for voting. If you haven't voted or if you haven't voted or if you haven't seen the poll, follow me on Facebook or on Instagram. I usually post it there. I ask the questions there. I post my pictures there. So check it out. And if you don't have any of those, just subscribe to my channel. Duh. As for chicken chop suey, it's an Asian inspired dish and my mom would make it so much. I love it because it's not only healthy but it's just so tasty. You can make it different ways. You can make it with chicken, with beef, but also with seafood. And for those vegetarians out there, you can just stir fry those vegetables and it's so delicious. It's easy for meal preppers. So you prep your chop suey together with your rice or your noodles and you're good for a week. Trust me, it's really good. Before I start, this is chicken chop suey a la Feffie. So it's the way I make it. I know you can make it in many different ways. Not one way is perfect or the best or correct. This is how I make it and how I like it. You can also add baby corn, but I don't like baby corn, so I won't put it. The ingredients are quite easy to find everywhere actually. The most important is the sesame oil and oyster sauce. Make sure you have those and your ginger, of course. Anyways, let's get started. Enough talking. I hope you guys like it. Bye! As for the ingredients, I'm gonna use a whole onion, 3 garlic cloves, 3 celery sticks, a half of each color paprika, bell pepper, so green, yellow, red. I'm gonna use 3 slices of ginger. I have my bamboo shoots, my mushroom. You can also use the fresh mushrooms. I like this canned mushroom from Lidl. It's just so nice and soft and so good. You're also gonna need some black pepper, some oyster sauce, and broccoli. This is about 1 kilo of broccoli. I like to boil it first, not too long, just that it gets super green and a little cooked. So I like to cut my onion in big pieces, my celery also, and the bell peppers in strips. Peel the garlic and slice it nice and thin. And I'm ready. I crush my garlic. You can also chop it, you can also cut it, whatever you like. And the broccoli is ready. So I'm gonna add some oil. Oh, by the way, I forgot some sesame oil. I like to use vegetable oil, sunflower oil, and then add a few drops of the sesame oil.